In here, the walk of shame, yeah. Where he at? The walk of shame. Block boys, right?
Close that one. Open that one.
Walk of shame going in. That walk of shame, man. Glock boys, right? Number 1. Oh yeah. Number 2. Walk of shame. I want to see what y'all got going on, man. Who going first?
You.
Me or you? Who going? Huh?
You the big.
Oh, okay.
You big money.
Oh, okay.
You the big dog.
Yeah.
You and your echelon.
Yeah, echelon. Yeah, okay. What you going too or no? You ain't got the Glock today?
I brought my Glock, but my
okay.
Glock
boy.
She got a bite.
It's all good.
Hanging out with all the fanboys.
Glock boy. Let him know. Yeah.
So you lose this battle. You came here to lose.
Oh no, you know what it is.
You came here to
know
so
that.
1 against 3. Huh?
You know the crazy part about me though? I probably can shoot the echelon better than him.
Oh shit.
Y'all niggas-
Yeah.
Now it got real.
Yeah, it got real.
Nah,
I
shit
want to
got
see
real.
this now. Hold on, we gonna shoot this first. We gotta get this out
Wait,
the
so
way.
everybody get a shot?
Yeah.
3?
Yeah. 3.
3?
Let's get it.
All right, let's do. All right,
Let's
so
get it. He said he
everybody
can shoot it
3
better
shots
than you.
from the echelon to the blocks, and she will. And she, all right. And then we got to talk about my.
He trying to weasel his way out of here. No, get on the court.
Crazy, bro.
Get on the court. Don't weasel your way out. Come on with it, man. Come on with it. Yeah, come on. Okay. All right. Okay. What you did? Bring it back. Let's see it. Bring it back. Bring it back. Let's bring that back. Bring it back. Let's see what you did. So I can put the Glock away. All right, it's my turn. You recording it? Yeah. Finna do it. What we doing? 3. That's if it don't jam. That's if it don't jam. Woo. Come on with it, man. Come on with it. Look at that. 1, 2, 3. Come on with it. Come on with it. Which one you gonna lose with?
Bring us back,
Which
bro.
one you gonna lose with? He's saying bring us back.
Bring us back, bro.
Which one you gonna lose with today?
This on the wake up, y'all. I just woke up.
Me too. Me too.
This on the wake up, y'all.
Me too.
We gonna be right through.
What he gonna do? What he
Bring
gonna
us
do?
back, bro.
What he gonna do? Come on. Okay.
There we go. 3 for 3.
Okay.
And that was nice.
Okay, it was.
Bring us back.
It
Come on.
was.
Bring us back.
It was.
Nah,
What
we in
you
the
got?
one echelon.
It was nice. It was nice. Yeah. It was nice. Come on. What you got? What do you got?
One echelon.
I'm gonna shoot over you. Push it back. Push it back. I'm out shooting y'all. All y'all. Oh. No. Oh.
Your sight off.
Over with. Bring Bring it back. Bring it back.
Who next? Me?
Me.
Oh, it's on you. Okay.
Yeah, with my extra. Yeah. Yeah. Yeah.
Load up. And next time we're doing 5.
Huh?
Okay.
Keep rolling. Keep rolling.
If you really think about it, the first one to hit the red basically.
Keep it rolling.
Okay.
You didn't get no reds.
It don't matter. It don't matter. It don't matter. Nope. No good. The nigga, hey, it's all good. It's all
Nobody
good.
get that red shit. Whoever hit the red win.
Don't worry about it. It's all good.
Little bit low.